In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clear or how to delete search history on Safari. To clear or delete your search history on Safari is very simple and basic to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's go to settings. So once you get to the settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down, scroll to the bottom. You are going to see apps over there. I want you to tap on that apps. So once you tap on that apps, I want you to look for Safari here. Scroll down till you get to Safari. So we have Safari here. So I want you to tap on Safari. So once you tap on Safari, I want you to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to see clear history and website data. So I want you to tap on that clear history and website data. So once you click on this, I want you to look closely here. It says clear history. So it says, do you want to clear history for the last hour? Do you want to clear history for today? Do you want to clear the history for today and yesterday? Or do you want to clear all history? So I want you to select all history. So once you select all history, I want you to tap on these close all tabs. So once you click on that, I want you to now tap on clear history at the bottom here. So once you tap on this clear history at the bottom, the history will be deleted permanently from the Safari website. So guys, this is how you can actually delete or clear your search history on Safari. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.